Volten, powered by H3 Dynamics. Generative AI, how it works with facade detection. Machine learning is a branch of AI dependent on models to perform autonomous tasks without extensive programming. It relies on statistical techniques or algorithms that allow users to make predictions or decisions based on historical data. Generative AI can be applied to detect defects in facades using a combination of generative models, image processing techniques, and deep learning algorithms. Data collection is a critical step in the development of the detection process. The first step is to annotate the dataset to identify and label different types of defects. This is established from a data library that includes thousands of images representing various defects. The next step involves the collection of a diverse dataset of facade images with and without defects. The pre-processing phase involves resizing and normalizing the images to a standard format. This is followed by splitting the dataset into training, validation, and testing sets. The steps in training the generative AI model are as follows. Use a generative AI model to learn the underlying patterns of defect-free facades. Train the generative AI model using the defect-free images from the dataset. Optimize the model to generate realistic synthetic defect-free facades. Defect detection model training. Optimize the defect detection model to detect accurately and classify different types of defects in the facades. Train a defect detection model using the annotated dataset. There are 3 steps in defect detection model training. Train the model to the facade images. Identify and localize the defects in the images. Generate a report containing the detected defects. For post-processing and visualization, these results consist of the original image of the facade, highlighted regions that show where defects were found, and images of the facade that are free from defects. Next, we evaluate the performance of the defect detection model and generative AI model to fine-tune and retrain the models based on the evaluation results. Contact us to find out more about this innovative technology.